What is OfferLab and how can you be a part of the massive launch coming up, pre-launch at the end of August and beginning there in September? There's a lot to cover here, but I want to give you the quickest version I can. If you want more detail, go down to the description. There's a link that's going to take you to this exact page, which is the JV page, and you can watch this video by Russell, and he's going to help get you started. So let's talk about OfferLab as a platform. This is the back end. It's going to have benefits for both affiliates and for product creators. If you are a creator, you're going to come in and you are going to put all of your offers. So you can see right here, a lot of different creators have put their offers in. All the products that you own, you can store here inside of OfferLab. Now, you don't have to build a new funnel or anything like that. You can connect Go High Level, you can connect ClickFunnels, you can connect any other platform to this, and the sales page will stay the same, but you can add your products here. So what that's going to allow people who are affiliates to do is to come in and pick offers that they want to promote. That is the goal for a creator, is you are going to get more affiliates, eyeballs on your products. For the affiliate, what is really cool about this is I can go in and pick products to build my own unique funnel. So instead of having to go out and make my own digital products, I could come in here and grab this one, this one, this one. Obviously, I need to apply for each and make a funnel out of those three different products. I can have your front end, you can have the upsell, downsell, back end, all of that right here. So really, really cool opportunity for an affiliate. Now, I want to talk about specifically the launch that is going to be happening there on September 3rd, maybe the biggest launch of 2025. It's going to be absolutely huge, and you're going to want to be a part of promoting it. When you go down in the description, grab the link, come to this page. Russell's going to go through the details for you. But there's going to be one upsell that allows you to get 100% commission, which is a $500 commission. Very nice. And then on top of that, you also get 4% of, well, that's changes a little bit. He'll explain that in the video. You get a percentage of the processing volume for every creator and affiliate you refer for life. That is a lot of money if you bring the right people onto the platform. So there's not many opportunities like this out there. You go and promote this and you bring in the right people, it could literally change your life. And this could be making money for years and decades to come. So check it out. Go in the link in the description, sign up to become an affiliate, promote the launch, get access to the platform early. You are going to be very happy that you did.